Creating multiline strings in JavaScript. I have the following code in Ruby. I want to convert this code into JavaScript. What is the equivalent code in JS? ECMAScript 6, ES6, introduces a new type of literal, namely template literals. They have many features, variable interpolation among others, but most importantly for this question, they can be multiline. A template literal is delimited by backticks. Note, I'm not advocating to use HTML in strings. Browser support is okay, but you can use transpilers to be more compatible. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.